Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nice beautiful day outside. Gotta love it. Here's my sexy Ram. Got a surprise for you guys today. Something that finally came in that I've been waiting for. And bam, there it is. My Carven Exhaust finally came in. Look at that. Stainless steel, made in the USA, custom made. And it's gonna be great. All right, let me grab this box cutter. Let's open this bad boy, because I'm super excited about it. Actually, I might put it on here soon. Ooh, take a look. Unboxing it. Carven. Gotta love opening car parts. Bang. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. So these ones are all direct fit, straight to my Ram. All I gotta do is just take off the old exhaust. Trying to do all this one-handed. Let's see what else I got. It's got to be a fit. All custom fit. And these got to be the tips. The tips I got powder coated black. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What's in here? Careful, these do not poke it. Oh yeah. Take a look. Look at that. Yep. And these are massive compared to the stock ones. The stock ones are like 3.5 inches. This is 5 inches round. Let's go take a look. Stock ones. And here it is. Other ones. Without comparison. Bigger. Gotta love it. Like I said, these are direct fit. Straight to the OEM. So it shouldn't actually take me that long to put them on. And I'm really gonna make all my neighbors mad, especially the one that lives right next to me, right over here. Look at this. I love it. Got the Carven right here. If you guys haven't heard of Carven, go ahead and look them up, check them out. I don't speak for the company. I'm not getting sponsored by this, but I'm gonna enjoy having this on the truck. Leave in the comments of what you want me to do next to the Ram. Got a couple ideas, but I want to hear what you guys got. So let me know what you guys want me to do. Always remember, hit that like and the subscribe button.